Cool Kicks YouTube channel. Still out in Houston. Nike outlet out in the Katy Mills. This is an outlet mall. They have a Ross Branson and all that stuff, but only got time for Nike outlets right now. Let's go. Kind of a smaller outlet. Maybe we will have time. We'll see. We'll see. All right, it is crowded as hell. They do have a heat wall. This is the heat wall right here, but not really too much interesting stuff. So we're gonna go to the back. And is this the refurb section? Is that it? Is that it? I think that is. Do have 30% off the back wall. I did see these. I was like, oh man. I thought these were the lows. I thought these were the ambush up-tempo lows. They are definitely not. Going for retail, you do get 30% off the back wall. Do got the Jordan 36 lows, $81. That's a size 10. They got these in a 10.5 as well. Have at least 15 pairs that I've seen. LeBron 20s. Oh, for full retail, that's outrageous. So you got these free Metcon 4s, size 10, $1.50. Got some dunks right here. These are 11.5, go for $140. And these are dunk mids right here. And they do have that interesting texture on it, kind of like a faux alligator skin. Yeah, $140. These are premium. Size 11. Got the Zoom Generations. That extra nice suede, $1.90. Saw these at some of the boutique shops, $1.30 right here. This is 8.5. Got all kinds of these. It looks like these just came out of the aisles. I guess it's 40 down to $65. That's a terrible colorway though. Gently worn. Size 8 Jordan 2s, $1.75. They're asking for full retail on these, minus 30 off. Wow. Jordan 37 lows, $1.75. Wow. That's a mids right here in a size 9. Alpha Menace Elite 3. Going for full retail at $2. What are these? What are these? Women's Air Force One Wilds. Okay, those are interesting. That's a women's too. Size 8. Going for retail. Size 6.5, $225 still. Nah, size 7, it's $180. So I'd go with that price. Moving on to the bigger sizes, 11 and up. Not seen much here at all. Size 14 with the refurb Cosmic Unity 3 Team Bank colorway, $85. Those are slightly imperfect though. Metcons right here, size 14. Metcon Turbo 2s go for $90 light new. Maybe something interesting right here. Force One mids, size 15, $70 for those. Got some huge pairs right here, size 15, 37 lows, $105. That's like new. I think we're gonna have to go to the aisles, man. Team Jordans, they don't even have full sizes for most of these. Like, what the hell? Like, why is this in the aisles? Cosmic Unity Team Banks right here. Two-tone Airspan 2s. Got the monotone ones right there. Kind of, sort of. I guess the midsole is white. Air Max 97s. 270s right there. Trio of Blazers. $49.99. I guess that's not too bad. All right, it is packed. Barely anything decent we've seen. We do have a line and tier sign right there. All right, let's take a look at the apparel, see what's up. 30% off clearance apparel. Jordan hoodie with those stitch thingies, faux stitch thingies, 88 down to $60. That is a small Nike poofy jacket. It is a Therma fit. And do I see that field tags? I don't see no tags on the field, no tags. No tags. Pretty cool baby blue. Hoodie going for $45, normally $60. These are down to $50. These are on the clearance section here. These are the 8-bit Jordans, going for $55. This one's pretty dope right here. $45 for this hoodie. It is very thin though. These shorts are definitely interesting right here. Can't really see everything though, but yeah, $70. $70, what the hell? For fleece shorts. So these hoodies going for hella cheap. Got shorts right here, 35. Yeah, just not really seeing that much. Fleece shorts right here, 35. Women's refurb section, not looking that much better. Just not much here. Yeah, sometimes I try to hype things up a little bit. There's really not much sugarcoating this. All right, let's go check out some of the other stores at this mall. Let's go. This mall seems to be a hodgepodge of outlets and non-outlets. They do have a Champs retail store. Let's see what's here. They do have a huge sign that says up to 70% off. Is that marketing or is that fact? Trying to find the 70% off rack. I don't even see one of those here, which is interesting because I've seen them at quite a few spots in LA. This tiny little sliver it. Tiny little sliver it. Really? Everything else is like 25% off, really? They got these Chinese New Year shorts right here. We've seen those a million times. These are the Mitchell & S. But that's it, man. That's it. That's the only decent thing here. Got some jorts and stuff like that. They do have these. These are fire. And I definitely would get this if it's 70 off, but it's not. It's not. It's just 25% off, so definitely not grabbing those. The shorts, I'm a fan of the shorts. Yeah, they got Magic, and then even these were 70 off, weren't they? So far, it's looking like a marketing ploy. They do have this little Jordan, what's it called? These are going for 20 bucks. Normally, what, 35? And they got some Nike fanny packs, 15 bucks. These have been really cheap, right? Yeah, those are still $40 here. Shack Attacks, these are still going for 40 bucks. Got the Reebok Questions, these are going for $1.20. And this mall just ain't it, you guys. This mall just ain't it. That kid's having fun with the balloon. Just ain't it so far. Got a Reebok outlet right here. If you purchase 100, 200, or 300, you get extra discounts. Question is, do they have anything dope? Do they have anything dope? Do got the answers. These were originally $170. I didn't know that. But yeah, this 60% off of $155. This is the way it was. I was like, wait, I think it goes like this. But yeah, these are down to what, 40, 50 bucks? These might be like $44 or something like that. That might be the cheapest we've seen for those. This is the Superman version right here. Superman version of the Shack Attack. These are going for $150 to get an extra 60% off. Gotta see which Omnis these bad boys are. And yeah, these are, man, these are like super bright. So it's like a neon colorway right here. Kind of like a crimson. Jordan would call that crimson. Kind of a mediocre colorway right there. Questions, $155, $60 off. You got these, probably discounted. I don't really see much of a sign here. These as well, because it does have that red tag on it. These are the Jurassic Park collab right here. A couple of 9.5s, $185. You get that extra discount. Pretty dope answers right there. $120, $60 off. That's a hell of a price. What questions are these? They call these the double toe, and I call these the ugly ones. Like I'm not digging these. $155. You do get 60 off. These are the black and whites right there. Got these brown ones. Got the question pumps right there. And another one right here. Another 50 off of that one. Checking out the clearance section. Did go through them. Didn't really find much. Did not really find much. Sometimes it's like that. Sometimes it's like that. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. I did try to find as much as I could. That's pretty much about it, man. Can't win all the time. The next day, somewhere in the greater Houston area, no clue where I'm at. These fools are open 7 and 8 a.m. Goddamn. Then we are seeing plenty of these Texas hoodies right here. These are the Nike Texas hoodies that we saw that other spot. But at this location, seeing some Fanatics Texas gear as well. These are down to $17. both in an XL, and seen them in a large. But look at this. Look at this. What's this? LSU Nike hoodie right here. Everything's embroidered on. Normally $70, down to $20. Got a couple of those in a large. That's pretty nice. Pretty decent size of mediums. But the only thing I really saw was this NBA team apparel long sleeve for $10. That's it. There really isn't much else. Then in the sweatshirt section, more Texas gear, University of Texas. This is like a salute to service one. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. This is pretty thin. $80 down to $17. Houston Astros jacket right here, kind of like a windbreaker. That's down to $17. Got some more college apparel right here, down to $13. That is an Adidas. Texas A&M Fanatics brand, $17 hoodie. Got a couple of them. Then more Texas gear right here, University of Texas. This is a Nike, $70 down to $30. More Texas gear, University of Texas Nike hoodie right here. This is the same one as that LSU one. Got the same embroidery. $30 for these Nike. These normally go for $70. All right, moving on to the men's shoes. Seen a ton of these Cocoonis going for $50. Seen so many different sizes already. They stick out because they're hella yellow. Solution mids right here. The budget Iversons, $35 for these. Can't forget to show some Grant Hill 2s because these stores always got a bunch of Grant Hill 2s. Don't see a price. They've been $35 consistently. Got some Chuck Taylors, go for $35. Size 10.5. Why do those look so huge? Superstars with multiple different colors for the stripes. Yeah, these are going for $40. Got some D Rose right here, and the alarm's going off. These are marked down to $48 right there. I don't recognize these D Rose though. Got a freaking single Croc right here. 25 Westbrooks. I haven't seen too many of these Westbrooks. Size 18. Holy cow. Holy cow. No price tag. Size 14 Witnesses. Witness 7s, I believe. $50. And then I actually got two Crocs right here. Size 13. These are 25. Houston downtown skyline right here. Is that their basketball arena? They got an aquarium right here too. Okay. Getting a little taste of Los Angeles. Going on the 10 freeway out here. That's weird. Should I go to San Antonio or back to Los Angeles? Oh wait, this ain't my car. Okay. This is Houston driving. Every freeway, pretty much there's a U-turn, and then there's a turn onto a frontage road, which kind of go parallel to the freeways, and then they have other streets that go here and there. But all of them have little U-turns right here, and then all of them have streets that go parallel, and then the on-ramps go from them. It's kind of weird. Gotta get used to it.